Hello, 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 hello. You missed that trade. Which trade? What is happening? All are positive today. The gap has been filled. No point. These no point. No point. No point. 4 hour, it depends on how this gap holds. See, now we are currently respecting this gap right here. What's the time? 5 more minutes. So the new candle opens. If we disrespect this gap, I'm bullish. Till where? Till this intermediate high. So there's no black magic in finding bars. So there's a 4 hour intermediate high. Why don't you start stream before market opens? Because I like to trade the next 30 minutes, the new 4 hour candle, not like when the market opens. Because most of the times when market opens, uh, it just manipulates, so no point. The real move happens when the new 4 hour candle opens. If we invert this gap, look for long still there. Hourly, I feel like we have few. Yeah, this again 1 hour intermediate high right here. Nice target. If we trade slower, then I can trade longer. One more high right here. Once again, 1 hour gap, 15 minute. We have this 15-minute gap. So overall, now we are making that buy model. So a better retracement than to look for longs is good. How is ES? I like to see how ES trades. Same shit. We are trading right here. Again, same thing right here. We are respecting this gap right here. If we disrespect this gap, it should push bullish till this intermediate high. Also, also if I mark out premium discount, this thing, it's already at discount, but it's better if it hits this OT. And then from there I can look for shorts. Till then I'm proper bullish. What else is there? This 1 hour gap is with this 1 hour order block. From there we might reject and then push higher. Is there any SMT? Kind of SMT like this right here from the side of the slow. It's like this. But SMT at key levels matter, not here. Okay, let's see. This 1 hour high looks good. It's other discounted. This proper LLD. With that 1 hour intermediate high. With that fair value gap from here, any bearish signs is also good. Because we are like making SMT like this, taking out this high. Let's see what happens because we are respecting this bullish gap also right here. 1 hour gap getting respected, just 1 hour order block. So if it retraces, then I can look for longs. Yep, yep. Okay, and yeah, the 4 hour candle is gonna close in like 20 seconds. Those proper bullish candle. Oh, 1 second. What this thing? Not this, not this. So there's a new 4 hour candle. I'll see if it wicks down, it's gonna create a wick, and then if it flips, it should flip and push bullish. Currently, we took out that previous day high. Was that previous day high? Nah, that took out New York high, AM session high. Those 4 hour highs with that New York AM high. That's nice. This candle is great. Bottom wick, no top wick. Okay, let's see. Did we balance out this range? Low, high, then do. Yeah, it's better to come somewhere here than look for longs. At least look for longs. We are tapping that 5 minute gap. Yes, also tap this 5 minute gap. We are in that discounted area. We took out that previous 4 hour candle high right here. Those previous 4 hour candle high. I feel like Kane would have entered right here, shots till the slow. I feel like that. Otherwise, he'll be trading good. Yeah. There's like 1 minute inversion. We took out that previous 4 hour candle high. This was a short right here, but this could have been your TPS. Negative rest to reward, but works. Because just like a nice inversion. I needed to go more down. I can't just long it from here. I have tried many times, but most of the times I just get stopped out because I'm longing from like two premium. Just came to that 50% mark. This is still lagging. Short also looks good. This 1 hour gap hold. We actually noted this 1 hour gap, did we? Nope. We actually supported. There's no top wick here. It's called as a devil's mark. Shorts also are better, good, but it's very risky. Low, high, 50%. If it wants to continue down, it can do from here. We also took out that previous 4 hour candle high. Probably gonna create this 15-minute gap, then trade lower from there, longs. Right now, there's no trade. Bro's watching is improving day by day. Thank you. The thing is that many people don't know about futures trading. That thing sucks because I get too many DMs. They're like, "Why are you doing paper trading? Why are you trading on Tradeoid?" How do I explain them that you can trade futures directly? So most of the people they just know what to tell. So half the watching goes there. They're like, "This guy's paper trading." How would I mind him? And this one thing is for real. If you take a loss, everyone becomes like a market maker. They'll be like, "This is an obvious long. Why did you take short?" Like, bro. Overall, nice though. People are still learning. Because currently, the reels I'm watching, right? Every Indian influencer is trying to promote futures instead of CFD accounts. Seriously. I've seen some 10 influencers who are like promoting futures accounts instead of CFD. That's nice. They should learn about prop from first to know how to trade in trading. That's also true. That's why this PNL thing I keep right here, right? This thing which you can see here. Sorry, this thing right which you can see right here. That dollar open. This thing. That that's why I keep it to let them know that I'm trading in some different broker which is connected to TradingView. Probably this 15-minute candle, it should come down, then look for longs. That is good. This 1 minute inverted is about to get inverted. If it inverts, it should go to this low, then go up. Otherwise, leave the slow pending. Then we'll have this 15-minute fair value gap. Then we can trade from here to longs. So we did invert here. Is it gonna flush or is it just gonna invalidate this? Hello, hello. Shorts also look good. There's a good shot right here. Inversion. This would be a break even or this low. And trade it till this 15-minute low right here. Actually, you don't need to. People just look at. Yeah, that's also true. How long have I been in this game? Around 2.5 years. It's been very long though. I started with options, Indian options. I traded that for like 7, 8 months. Then I switched to Forex. That I traded for like 1.5, 2 years. And then I switched to futures for like 6 months. I don't know exact timeline, but it's around two and a half, 3 years. And this shot was like not half bad. It was a very good trade. From when are you trading futures? Around 6, 7 months, I guess. Did you lose money like everyone else in the beginning? Obviously, bro. I lost like 1.5, 2 years straight. What made you switch to futures from Forex? First thing is spread. The thing is that I scalp, right? I scalp in like 1 minute, I scalp in 5 minutes. If you trade gold, oh my God, I don't know how the funding pips spread were too bad. When I used to trade funding pips, spreads were too bad. This thing, Blueberry funded was good. The spreads were actually too good in Blueberry, but funding pips, I hated the spread. It just used to wake me out and then go in my direction. TP also it is used to hedge and shit. So first thing is that. Second thing is too much commission. How much did you lose in lakhs? Probably around a lakh. That's it. But I had very good control because I was profitable also. It's not like I just used to blow up in like one day. I used to keep, but I made more than that though. The money which I lost, I just got it back. So it's worth it. It's like college. You just pay for like college tuition and shit. Do you know Vedic tricks? Yeah, he recently DM'd me like 3 or 4 days back. He commented on one of my video on Insta, then he DM'd me. So yeah, I've been keeping in touch with him. I didn't know him like before like there's one guy who came. It's like, do you know him? Then I searched about him. I was to follow him on Twitter, but I didn't know it was him. As a beginner, one should start from futures directly. They can start from futures directly, but it's better if they paper trade, backtest, and then start from futures. It's better than going through Forex CFD space. Because here in futures, you have very less rules. Instead of like, you have to make 10%. Okay, in phase one, you have to make 10%. In phase two, you have to make 5% in CFD. Here, you just have to make 5%. You're done. It's like phase two complete, and then you're funded, and then you can take payouts instead of like making 10% more extra. That 10% could have been your payout here. Clear. It's like CFD में clear करने जितना यहाँ पे payout लेने जितना same है equal. 15% is like crazy. That's how people are making money in prop firms. That's how prop firms are making money. 15% is a lot. People don't understand that. You can hardly make 3, 4% max a month. अभी अभी जो हुआ ना उमर पंजाबी फंस गया. He told he makes 25% a month. There's no way. So 15% in a month is a lot. But there has to be some drawdowns in future props. Yeah, there are few drawdowns, even though they have consistency rule. That's why they bought it. They have consistency rule, then you have 5 minimum days to get a payout. So that rule makes the first rule is 5 minimum days, 5 minimum days of $100. $100 5 दिन करना चाहिए. Then you can be eligible for payout. You know why that rule is there? So that people can make less money. When they see $100, they're like, I can get payout. I'll let me lock in profits instead of like $400 500 का जो trade रहेगा. They'll just close it at $100, thinking that they'll get payout. That for that reason they have made that first thing. People don't understand that. कम कम they'll like 100 कहीं तो blow हो जाएगा बीच में. That's one reason. So and then 40% consistency rule. They make that cause अगर तुम ज़्यादा देर तक टिकोगे ना तो most probably तुम lose ही करोगे. Okay, we trade into this 15-minute gap right here. Very bad price action. Again, it's stopping. Didn't we have news today? Blueberry is coming to futures too. I feel like they will come. I don't know how, but they are actually promoting. जो भी Indian जो CFD promote करता था ना, they are literally promoting futures like Apex, Top Step and Top Step नहीं, mainly Apex and funding ticks. Because that funding ticks जो Khalid some name है right? That CEO, he knows that most Indians are like this. He's making most of his money through Indian traders only. So yeah, he's giving good money like to promote his stuff. Umar and Discord really used to fight with them. It's fine, bro. Any strategy is better. For me, strategy doesn't matter. If you're making money, any strategy works. But yeah, uh, oh, okay, okay. New section is created. Chuck, there's SMT. Yep, there's SMT here. This has to hold. No, there's no fair value gap to look for longs. That's a problem. Probably this will fail. Yep, probably it'll fail. I wanted to come till here, then I can trade long. इस प्राइस एक्शन में फंस जाऊंगा ना तो मर जाऊंगा. फंडिंग टिक्स पीपल आर प्रमोटिंग फंडिंग टिक्स नॉट पिप्स. फंडिंग पिप्स तो इंडिया में एक्चुअली अच्छे से हो गया है. Almost everyone knows about funding pips, but they don't know about funding ticks and what future is. Literally, if you go ask some futures, sorry, forex जो ट्रेड कर रहा है उसको पता ही नहीं रहेगा कि futures क्या होता है. It'll take time to understand. पहले तो उसको ये समझ नहीं आएगा कि कंसिस्टेंसी रूल क्या होता है, कैसे कैलकुलेट करता है. I'm confused to trade in mini or micro. Can you suggest me? Always trade micro, bro. In micro, same price action. Only thing is that there it's like गोल्ड में जब वन लॉट ओपन करोगे यहाँ पे 0.1 लॉट सेम चीज़ है. सो ऑलवेज गो विथ माइक्रो cause सॉरी ऑलवेज गो विथ माइक्रो cause it's easy to take partials. फंडिंग पिप्स को बहुत हिट मिल रहा है पेआउट्स की वजह से. आई डोंट नो. मैं सीएफडी फर्म्स के बारे में रिसर्च करना ही छोड़ दिया. तो सपोज टू बी अ न्यूज़ नो टुडे. हमने देखा ना फोरेक्स फैक्ट्री. Got a news at 6:45. Did we have news today at 8:30? That's very good. Oh, we did have news at 8:30. Where's 8:30? Bro, what is this news scandal? कुछ नहीं किया काम. There's no inversion here to trade longs. Very bad price action, so I'll just wait if it gives a good trade. Which prop are you trading right now? I'm trading two prop firms right now. One is my funded futures. The other one is funding ticks. I like my funded futures. Funding ticks का रूल ज़्यादा है, बहुत ज़्यादा गंदा है. It's better if it takes out the slow also. Please make a video on futures, rules, and other things which we need to know. I actually had a video. What did I do? I just said that I'll, I'll remove that. You can watch it. It's already there. I hid it, I guess. I don't remember actually. Funding ticks का क्या गंदा है? One thing is that this thing is high. Their commission is high per trade. My funded futures है. Have made around $1,800 in profit. But जो मेरा PNL है वो 1,400 कुछ चल रहा है अभी. So $400 is just gone for commission. And I take very less trades, 1 or 2 trades a day, max three. So one thing is that. Second thing, evaluation stage me, they have put a consistency rule. I could have cleared this account in like 1 2 days. It's taking so much time just because of that thing. It was not there in my funded futures. So that thing, commission, and you have slippage in fund. This thing, funding ticks. Fund as a slippage नहीं होना चाहिए. I enter trade here. It just slips me out a bit. We have a order block and a fair value gap. There's a breaker. There's a fair value gap. There's a unicorn model. Longs. If it does go, it should go from here. I want this to fail and then take longs from there. There was no inversion. I was ready to take longs here. I only trade on inversion. कल एक ही अच्छा था कि draws आ जाता तो CIST में लिया था. But I want some inversion here which is not there. Can we full port on my funded core CPI? I think they introduced new, no, not now. You can do that, but they have added a consistency rule. जो नया core आया, they are selling it for like little cheaper, but they put consistency rule. Buy the other one which doesn't have consistency rule. और एक account है उनका. Man, this trade would have run. Really, I was literally waiting for some inversion right here so that I can take it longs. ये मेरा break even होता है इधर. Is it not moving? My cursor stopped moving. You know, it's fine. Yep, this could have been a very nice trade. You know why this is? This is called as a forever model. कुछ लोग forever model बोलता है, कुछ लोग what is that? I just forgot the name. Unicorn model. Some people call it unicorn model. When there's a order block, okay. There's a down close candle जिसके ऊपर close गया. The SARX has an order block now. उसके अंदर एक fair वाले gap. So if it tap this and push higher, so this whole area is called as a unicorn model. ये breaker block बन जाता है. There's a last swing which changed the character. You also have a market structure shift here. Yeah, unicorn. How many playbooks or setups you have? I have two. One is continuation, other one is reversal. If this SMT holds, I can take shots. Yep. I'm missing my trade. 3 minute, 1 minute. Yep, I can take shots here.
Order filled.
I got filled there. We have this 1 minute inversion. We have that CISD. It's too premium. But this thing, I'm bullish, so this would be my break even. Because we took out that high also. That was like 4 hour gap ka high tha. So we just souped it, pushed lower. Nice push. 1 to 1 kitna? Because it's also like single candle inversion with nice volume. And in the hourly gap, it's swept to highs. There's no 2 minute inversion, right? Then I'm cooked. Arey, yaar, there's a 2 minute fair value gap. I didn't see that. It was a little bad trade, but yeah, if it works, it works. It was literally a 2 minute inversion right here. I didn't see the 2 minute candle. If that SMT holds, it'll just die off. There's a little less probability since we are in that 2 minute gap here. I, why is my stop loss? Where is it? Fund index is good though. It's voted. This is actually a very bad probability trade. I should have been patient. I didn't see there was like a 2 minute candle here. I saw 3 minute. 3 minute में कुछ नहीं था. Yep, very less probability now. ये actually जो इन्वर्ट किया था उसका कैंडल भी इन्वर्ट हो गया. If the fair value gap holds, last line of defense. Ganda entry. I really regret this trade. I always wait for like this high, this low का, this low, this high का highest time frame was 2 minute. 2 minute hit करके reverse कर गया. अरे ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है ये? I don't know why it's happening like that. Damn, reversal. We'll see. This SMT clearly hold it. That's why my stops were above this SMT. If it holds, it can push lower. Still, I would have liked that 2 minute inversion. The reverse Mona volume is there for sells. It's bad. I'm cooked, I guess. आएगा 2 मिनट में order filled. This is a trade which I shouldn't have taken technically because there was a 2 minute inversion. Entry करने के बाद पता चला. Where you look at that order, so what is there, bro? Come on, reversal. Why is your data a minute late? I don't think so. It's late. Yeah, I only trade Nasdaq. Damn, I'm in profits again. Come on, reject that level. It should just die off dip. You just put off a magnet so that it can attract. Where is magnet? Where is magnet? I just have to look at this also. Wait 1 second. This takes out this. Hey, what is wrong with this? Whenever I change, it goes off. उड़ जाता है. I'm cooked. Wait, 3 relative equalize. Stop fill. I feel like this is the worst trade I've taken. I was impatient, not looking at 2 minute. Oh my God, it's just laying around with me.
Stop filled.
Bro, I got slipped so bad. I lost $300. I knew it was a stop loss. If you see here, wait 1 second. I'll bring this. I didn't see this. Biggest mistake. Right here. Right here, there was like 2 minute right here. I should have waited for this 2 minute for. Where is that? Where is that? There was this 2 minute inversion right here. Why is it not working? And I didn't see this. Just from this low, this side, this is the highest time frame. Why don't you trade Nifty? Should have waited for this inversion right here. I entered on this 1 minute right here. If I go into like 1 minute, there's this 1 minute here. Uh, 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 I really hate it. You have to go all the way here just to draw a box. This inversion. After this inversion, I entered. Then I see this. I'm like, I'm cooked. Your university kids know. I few people know that I stream. Which firm are you trading with as a funding ticks? FT. I got cooked here. I shouldn't have lost this trade. This easily I could have avoided this. See? I have very bad cough. What is your highest profit? I made 2.2K dollars in 1 minute. A single news candle. I shared the screenshot in this thing, I guess, in my Discord. Yeah, I have shared it. Will you be looking for another trade? I would be looking, bro, obviously. This trade was a mistake, so could have avoided that. But it's a good setup because we inverted both of the gaps. We inverted this, but there's one more here. We inverted both the gaps, so selling was strong. Why are we in this consolidation? Very bad price action. I know price inside this. I want this side to be taken out. There's that unfilled gap. From here, my bias was bullish. Today, I took sells even though my bias was bullish. Look at this liquidity generated. Mm, 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 mm. From here, I could have tried longs, no inversion. This could have been my break even. But since we have this SMT premium, I want from this low to take longs. This can all just go off. I know that. If this wick holds, is it the C? Yeah, the C of the wick holds, then it should continue pushing lower. Let me lock in for a while. Bro, which firm are you using trading with? I'm trading with my funded futures and funding ticks, bro. I took 1K payout last month. I've taken 3 to 4, but they were like very less. You're confused with futures from how many cons you use and micros. I use 5 to 4. I use 5 usually. Take this high. I wanted to take long still here. Didn't get entry. Da, 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 da. Rules, payout procedure, and etc. All those basic things. It's actually easy, bro. If you have taken any prof from the same thing, go to profitmatch.com. Everything is there. Should I teach you that also? Wait, let me do that. Go to this website. Match. Why is this website right here? And then click on futures. Why is it lagging? And then let it open futures. So these are all the futures profile. That's the one I'm trading with. So you can see what all rules are there, what ways you can buy. So once you go here, click on challenges. Yeah, that's that. That's the one I currently have. So you click on buy. They give you all the discounts they have. Plus they're gonna give you all the rules that are there. Where did it go? 1 second. If you click here. Hey, where did it go? I think they changed it. Uh, yeah. If you click on the price, it'll give you everything revised. So you just watch this thing and try getting it. Everything is there. And if you go on to like payouts, you can see all the certificates people have posted. Every single thing is there. And if you don't get a payout, you can complain to them. They'll help you. So use that thing. Oh my God. I think I missed a trade. Uh, yep. I missed a trade. No. Ah, 5 minute, 15 minute. Very bad price action, bro. Yeah, no worries. I hate it. What is this, bro? Come on, Nasdaq. Kind of inverted this gap. We have SMT here. Yeah, it's very bad consolidation. Eh, what is this 5 minute? We are just picking higher, pushing lower. I really wanted to fade away because of this LR and this gap. Your Discord link ain't working. Is it from Instagram or is it from this description link? My YouTube description. Tell me that. Actually, people were telling me. I don't know which one. I'll change it today. Price is respecting Tuesday's first presented fair value gap. I don't care about that. Uh, or description link. I'll change it today, bro. Okay, okay. I'll change it. I want to take longs from here. From till then, I'm bearish. This 1 hour candle is gonna close in like 5 minutes. I've been trading for like 1 hour. Nothing is there. I just took the most useless loss of my life. Yes, yeah, it is engineering liquidity, but it's better if it does this whoop and then pushes higher. How is gold? Oh my, gold is better. I would be bearish here. 4 hour is bearish. 1 hour is bullish. I'd go with 1 hour and target these highs. This would be buy side liquidity. I feel like I can trade this. Yeah, I'll see if I can trade this. Gold longs look good. Okay, nice. That's gonna close in 3 minutes. 3 minute has nothing. 5 minute. Good enough to look for longs. Is it necessary to learn more concept in trading or less is more? Less is obviously more better. Never learn more, bro. Have like 4 or 5 concepts. The good thing about ICT is that you can use like you can use whatever you like and like remove other things. Some guy might like breaker block, he'll trade based on that. So yeah, you can literally choose what's making you profitable and just stick to that. Oh my, I just wanted to trade here, inversion to take longs. No inversions here. Nasdaq is badass. It's literally not going anywhere. Even if I take, let's say I take longs, where's the range though to target? It has to move till here. There's no movement. If I take shots also, what is this? Honestly, feel like missing an edge with I. You want to switch to ICT plus auto flow. You can do that. Just learn few concepts of ICT. Just backtest them. It's very useful. Am I getting any gold longs? I need some good fair value gap. It's better that this 15-minute gaps get respected in 1 minute. We injured in like we have like relative equal highs here, relative swing highs here, and then few relative equal highs here. So I can trade from this internal to this external. 23, 22. I feel like this is gonna get supported and then push price higher. There's no reason for it to go back. I've been practicing Union, but what happens is when you enter the trade, you get I've taken one trade, bro, one loss, but overall PA bad. Do one thing if you're practicing Unicorn, right? If you're entering too late or too early, there's a problem with the strategy itself. See how you can improve. So if you're taking on like 1 minute Unicorn model, switch it to like 3 or 5 minute, and then see how it goes. Because you'll be doing some mistakes like me. Some guy would have entered on this fair value gap right here. The one I took right here, right? This inversion right here. I knew what my mistake was right here because I knew that there was 2 minute gap which didn't get inverted. Later I realized, but yeah, or I would really not taken this trade. So there'll be some mistakes what people may be doing and just figure out what it is. Oh my god, again an inversion right here. We have internal like external SMT. Nothing is here. Did this get respected? Yeah, I guess so. It did get respected. Any inversion longs. There's a CISD right here. Could push price higher. I feel like I could have entered blindly on this CISD right here. The only valid inversion is this right here. I'll give this a go. This is gonna be my last trade. It's, not good risk to reward. We like have this relative equal highs. That too, it is a 4 hour high which didn't take out the previous 4 hour high. Chances are that it'll go there. If this stops me out, I'm done for the day because I don't think so I'll get any trade in NQ. NQ is actually pushing bearish. Look at this. Finally, I feel like some price action to push price lower. If this just goes fill this gap, I don't think so. He'll push down. Then he'll be stuck in this range. Mm, I still would prefer longs. Yep, it's gonna fill that. Leave. Why does this keep happening? Yeah, it's very low probability. It just filled that gap. This also took this gap as support. I bet that this gap would be diff different place. Knew that. Look at this. This is why I hate CFD firms. CFD firms, the price is here. Futures, it's here. The body is closing somewhere inside that gap. But in normal your CFD, this thing, it's closing below this gap. Oh, we took out this low, and then we have this gap. Bro, BTC 4 RPO3 1 minute entry. Let me see. Nah, bro, nah, nah, nah. This new 4-hour candle opened right now. Check if it did that. Then this inverted here, this inverted here. It'll probably retest here and then push higher, bro. Because we literally inverted this gap, this gap. It should push higher till this 4-hour intermediate high. And look at lower time frame. 1 hour is getting supported by these gaps, which is telling us it wants to push higher. It may be reacting from this order block, but very risky entry because of this new 4-hour candle. It's making a bottom wick, and then when it flips, is gonna the body's gonna create upside. Yep, Nasdaq is stuck in this range. Gold, what is this? It's doing a liquidity sweep battle. This long would be good. As that is right. Target these equal highs. Come on, nigga, invert. Sorry, I said the N word. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, such a bad close. Such a bad close. I don't want it to hit this high because that's my break even. Ah, really sucks. Bro, don't do this. 30 seconds more, stay there. I'm so unlucky. I cancel this order. It's such a good, it's such a good trade. Uh, if I entered on the CISD test, keep my stop somewhere here. This also works. I would have got tagged in there. Exact. I'm not taking this. Very low probability once it takes out these highs. Oh, it retested that inversion. Look at that retest. I could have entered. Let me see if it's a good entry or not. Hmm. A break. This would have been a break. You would not be fine with that. But after it takes out this, it's very less probability. Such a boring day, bro. Why is NQ like this? Your subs are increasing fast. That's because of my shorts, bro. My shorts are literally blowing. I don't know how. One went till some 14, 15K views. Candle just dropped. Now it's pushing bearish. Yeah, you can. If you're taking this BTC short, it's good, bro. The way we generated low resistance liquidity right here. So there's a market maker buy model right here. This should do the market maker sell model. Yeah, this changes the state of delivery. Second change the state of delivery. There's something called as a proportional box something. But I would be little. I would be avoiding this trade because of this inversion right here. This can make this lower wick and then push, flip and push bullish. Because the overall time frame is like buying, and I expected buying from this level, this -4 to 4.5 deviation, so it can just push higher. Oh my God. Did we sweep out this again? Yeah, we did sweep out this again. Then it's pushing higher. Come on, man. I can't see if this is a gap or not. I really want to enter longs. Does it show here at least? The candle just jumped below. What should be your target? Target all is low resistance liquidity. If it pushes it, it'll go till this low. 102. But selling has to come. From here, it's nice. It wants to go completely here, but this would be better target. Don't trust the last one. Trust this one. This low right here. Guys, that's it. Done for the day. One loss. Enough. I really can't be trading in those conditions. This is also bad. This also started chopping up. This whole price action has been chopping up. This freaking unicorn also would have worked, but it wouldn't have reached my target. Again, there's a break even right here. It's better to hop off the chart after you see this. So yeah, I just took one trade. That also my mistake. Shouldn't have taken that also. Saw this inversion, didn't see the 2 minute like a stupid dumbass guy. I'll be noting this in my journal. Till then we'll meet again. Bye bye. I streamed for like an hour. This is the worst price action. New York, Asia. Oh, that's why. When Asia rips higher or lower, when Asia gives volume, most probably New York will do like this. That always happens. Asia shouldn't move. It depends on how Asia moved. And one more thing. If you're using Asia session, okay, use this one thing. Look at this. Okay, Asia session low, Asia session high. Oh, why is that? Asia session low, Asia session high. We target this 50%. Look at that reaction from there. I can try taking sniper entries like this. Here we didn't reach. Oh, high. Somewhere here. Here it didn't work. So yeah, that's it for the day, guys. Bye bye. Take care. It's very bad. I don't feel like trading in this condition. It's better to do that. I lost like $294. Till then we'll meet again. Bye 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 bye.